Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. Going to be doing some sandblasting on this rim here. It's all pocked up. All these old rims get all corroded. All these aluminum rims, and of course the steel, get all rusty. So I'm going to be putting these rims and tires on this white truck here that I'm working on. But I wanted to give you a quick overview on how I'm going to do this job and what I do, or what I use to do it. First thing, as you can see, is I'm wearing basically an old paint suit. Got some knee pads on, using a pressure pot that I picked up at Northern Tool many years ago. It still is working great. Changed the nozzle here from a dead man handle looking thing that I didn't like to a shut off, and then a ceramic nozzle setup here. As you can see, I think you can get this whole setup at Northern Tool too. If not, get online and you'll be able to find what I'm talking about. I buy these shut off valves at Menards. They're cheap. They wear out from the sand coming through. The ball wears out and it won't shut off after a period of time. As you can hear, it's leaking a little bit of air right now. This valve is getting bad. I got another one to replace it. I buy about 3 at a time. I'm using black glass sand here. Buy that at Menards. And I got a nice pair of good leather gloves, wear my ear protection, and then I picked up a mask just like this online for about 34 bucks. It's got the filter so you're not breathing the dust, and you can, or 3M makes it about 100 plus per mask. I couldn't afford that, so got online and I found these. They're about 35 bucks a piece, and very good deal. They work great. So we're going to go ahead and sandblast this one rim. As you can see, I already sandblasted these ones. They looked in the same shape. You can see some pocking around where the corrosion was. I don't care about it, but if you do, you can take some 180 or 80 I'd probably start out with and smooth it out, and then kind of finish it off in 180, 220, prime it. You need to use etch primer if you're going to go that route over the aluminum first to get good adhesion, and then primer after that, sand, and top coat and clear coat, whatever you want to do. So that's what they recommend anyway. I'm just going to go ahead sandblast, and I'm just going to use a chassis black over the aluminum. I'm not going to get carried away. If it peels off down the line, I'll just go ahead sandblast again. I'm not getting carried away. Don't care about the pocking or anything for my truck. It's just a plow truck, but I want the rims to look a little nicer. So let's go ahead and get her blasted and see what it looks like. Alright, got it done. Not sure how long it took. Pretty quick, but yeah, like I say, you're gonna get the pocking because that's the corrosion in the aluminum. I hit it a lot harder than all the rest of it, and like I say, I don't care, but you can sand this down and smooth it out and prime it, but you do have to etch first. Etch prime first, make sure it goes over the aluminum, then prime, sand of course in between, and then you know, base coat or straight enamel, whatever you guys are, you know, wanting to do to your rims. But this certainly beats going out buying them, and you can save a lot of money doing it like this if you have the proper equipment, of course, or maybe your buddy's got some, you know, that you can use. But just want to make a quick video on it, and yeah, hope you guys like the content. Please like and subscribe, share, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.